Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you how you can make this man bun along with two others. So there are a total of 3 man buns in this video, so make sure you watch the complete video and do not skip any parts so that you perfectly know how to make these man buns. As for this bun, let me just open my hair first so that I can show you how it's made. So now we can proceed to make that bun. So just gather up all your hair at one place first. Now try to follow along with a rubber band. Just place the rubber band on the ponytail the halfway through and twist your palms like that and place the rubber band over the bun and then twist the hair and wrap around it. And it should look something like this. And now to make it appear a bit more natural, just take out some of the hairs from the sides. Maybe the back as well, like so. And this is the final result. Now the second one may be a little bit difficult for you if your hair is not long enough yet. So this one looks really simple and minimal, and it looks really clean as well. So you might want to rock this while you're at work, at your office, or maybe at school. To make this bun, just gather up all your hair in one place. And start twisting that ponytail of yours. And while you're at it, wrap the ponytail around on itself like so, and then tie it all together with a rubber band. And then it should look something like this. Now this bun is more on the cleaner side, so you may want to rock this while you're working or you're going to school maybe. Hey guys, before we move on to the third man bun, please consider subscribing to my channel, as it really helps me keep myself motivated to bring you guys more videos. Okay, moving on to the third one. Okay, so the third man bun is basically a top knot, and this is by far the simplest man bun among 3. So to make it, just gather up all your hair in a ponytail and then tie the ponytail 1 or 2 times depending upon the thickness of your hair. And then place the rubber band on the hair in this manner. And it should look something like this. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section which man bun is your favorite. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.